So this is a run through of some sounds on the Yamaha Pacifica. So this is a frankenstrat. It's been modified by me. I call it Old Blondie. It was my first real good guitar. It is a starter entry-level guitar, but I had this for a very long time. It's a customised by me, so it's a Seymour Duncan jazz pickup in the neck and a Seymour Duncan JB in the bridge. So they're very good pickups. So here are some sounds. Neck. So I refer to the neck pickup and the bridge pickup, or the front pickup and the back pickup. So neck pickup, clean. Okay, neck pickup again, dirty. Okay, now this is what's called a Strati type tone, a Stratocaster type tone. It's the it's position 4. So it's this pickup, but just one coil. Okay, we're going to do that same pickup with a dirty tone. Okay, middle position, which is both these two together. I'm not really sure what to do here. Okay. So we're going to have the bridge pickup, just one of these pickups. So again, a trebly single coil sound. So and then finally bridge pickup by itself. So a bit of dirt added. Okay, so those are some tones, just a bit of orientation around the guitar. So this is the body. This is the bridge, holds everything together. This is actually fixed. There's a attachment for a tremolo bar there, but it won't work because I removed that for tuning stability, so it's fixed. These are called pickups. They are humbuckers, and the tones I gave you today had both these in full and in split coil mode. That's the volume for both pickups. This is the what's called tone, but it just really is a cut-off of the high end of the guitar. This is the fretboard, and the fretboard is on the neck. So that's the fretboard and the neck, and you have the strings, and these are steel pieces called frets, and they are they divide the guitar into the notes. And we have the headstock, the nut, the tuning pegs, and yeah, these are string trees. And in the back you've got an attachment plate for the neck to go onto the body, and within there you have the what was the old tremolo bar, but I don't use it on this guitar, as I mentioned, and the pickup selector. Really important. I went between the pickups today with different tones, and there was a lot of magic added from some gadgets on the floor to get me between clean sounds, to add a wah-wah type sound, a phaser, and some dirt or some gain. So a bit of magic which you can't see, and I'm connected into a PA. So hope you enjoyed the walkthrough.